Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how people are making real money on YouTube without thousands of subscribers or crazy editing skills, you're going to want to hear this. I recently discovered a system called Channel Profit Sprint that helped me and so many others make money fast by creating simple, authentic videos that actually sell. Here's the deal. You don't need expensive gear, fancy cameras, or to go viral on TikTok. The game has changed thanks to artificial intelligence and YouTube's algorithm rewarding genuine buyer-focused content. Even people with less than 500 subscribers are making thousands of dollars by following this simple system. Channel Profit Sprint breaks everything down into a 7-day challenge with small, doable missions each day. You spend less than 20 minutes daily, creating one video a week about 10 minutes long that's designed to generate commissions on autopilot. And the best part? You don't need to create your own products or handle customer service because it's all about affiliate marketing. The program even includes a powerful AI script writer that creates ready-to-record scripts for you in under a minute, so if you're unsure what to say on camera, that's taken care of. Plus, there's built-in accountability so you don't lose motivation or let your success slip away. Right now, this opportunity is huge because competition is still low, and organic reach on YouTube is booming. You can start with almost zero upfront cost, and the system works on your schedule. I truly believe this is one of the best ways for beginners to start earning online quickly. If you want to learn more about Channel Profit Sprint, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.